So here we are in the Domaine de Joly, which is a wonderful garden here in the St. Lawrence River Basin in Lotbinière. It belonged to the seigneur of the area, the Joly de Lotbinière. So my friend Luc will speak a little bit towards that.
Yes, well, this was the summer home of La Famille Joly de Lotbinière, and they bought this land at la Pointe Platon and built their summer home in the early 1850s.
And the house is called Maple House, and we're going to go take a peek right now. And it is beautiful gates that you enter the actual property. So come on through. Oh gosh, you could see the house in the distance. It looks quite beautiful. So when was the house built, do you know?
The house was built in the early 1850s, but what's special about this place are these trees, these black walnut trees.
Wow.
And these were
and they're not indigenous to Quebec.
No, they're not indigenous
Walnut trees
to Quebec.
don't really grow in Quebec.
And they weren't supposed to grow, but the seigneur planted them in the early 1880s.
Wow. That's amazing.
Majestic.
Wonderful. Gorgeous. The approach to the house also seems very sort of mysterious in a way. I like how the path sort of curves off to one side. We're actually right on the St. Lawrence River here,
Yes.
right? So they actually have some beautiful views of the water from the house.
Look at this black walnut.
Oh, how old are these? These are crazy.
1880s.
1880s, wow. They're really quite magnificent.